Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Alipay as a foreigner. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. As a foreigner, you can absolutely use Alipay in China even without a Chinese bank account. Alipay supports international cards and has a feature called to a pass or international wallet to help non-residents pay like locals. In order to use Alipay foreigner, as a foreigner, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar type in Alipay and look for an app icon like this on your search list and then simply tap on it. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on get button and follow the on-screen prompts to simply download the app. And once downloaded, simply tap on open. And now if you already have an account, simply log into your account, or if you don't have an account, simply sign up for an account. And then once done, all you gotta do is complete real name verification by simply tapping on the account icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, then simply selecting settings. And once you're inside there, tap on account and security. And once you're inside account and security, all you gotta do is upload your password, use facial recognition if prompted, and this is required to access wallet function and make payments. You can also add a foreign credit or debit card by simply tapping on the bank cards option and then simply selecting add card, and then add a Visa, MasterCard, JCB or Discover. Then most cards work fine for purchases they if your bank allows international use. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.